Hey everyone, welcome to Engineering and Tech Channel. If you're completely new to SOLIDWORKS and you don't know where to start, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through what SOLIDWORKS is, what it's used for, and I'll also give you a quick tour of the interface so you don't feel lost when you open the software. This series is beginner-friendly, so I'll explain everything step by step, no complicated terms. So first, what exactly is SOLIDWORKS? SOLIDWORKS is a 3D CAD software, and CAD simply means computer-aided design. It's used to design parts, assemblies, and technical drawings. You'll see SOLIDWORKS used in industries like mechanical engineering, manufacturing, automotive, product design, and even small workshops. If you want to design real-world parts like brackets, gears, frames, or even full machines, SOLIDWORKS is one of the best tools to learn. This tutorial is for absolute beginners, so even if this is your first time opening SOLIDWORKS, you're totally fine. No experience needed. By the end of this series, you'll be able to create your own parts and understand how professional designs are made. All right, let's jump into SOLIDWORKS. When you open the software, this is the first screen you'll usually see. To start working, go to New and you'll notice three options: Part, Assembly, Drawing. For beginners, we'll start with Part because everything in SOLIDWORKS begins with a part. So I'll click Part, then click OK. At the very top of the screen, we have the menu bar. You don't need to memorize everything here, but it's important to know what's available. First is File. This is where you create new files, open existing ones, save your work, and print. Next is Edit. You'll find options like Undo, Redo, Copy, and Delete here. Then we have View. This controls how your model looks on the screen, like zooming, display styles, and hiding or showing items. Insert is where you add things like sketches, features, reference geometry, and parts. Tools contain settings, measurements, and customization options. And lastly, Window helps you manage multiple files if you have more than one open. Just beside the menu bar is the standard toolbar. These are shortcuts for tools you'll use all the time. Here you'll see icons for the Welcome dialog, New, Open, Save, and Print. Instead of going through menus every time, you can quickly click these buttons. Below that is one of the most important areas, the Command Manager. This changes depending on what you're doing. For now, we'll focus on two tabs, Sketch and Features. When you click Sketch, you'll see all the tools used to draw 2D sketches. When you switch to Features, you'll see tools used to turn those sketches into 3D models. You'll spend most of your time right here. On the left side of the screen is the Feature Manager design tree. This shows everything in your model: planes, sketches, and features in order. Think of it like a history of what you've created. When you select a tool, this area temporarily becomes the Property Manager. The Property Manager is where you set dimensions, options, and confirm your actions. Once you're done, it switches back to the Feature Manager. The large open space in the middle is the Graphics area. This is where you'll draw sketches and see your 3D models come to life. You can rotate, zoom, and pan your model here using your mouse. At the top of the Graphics area, you'll see the Heads-Up View toolbar. This gives you quick access to view controls like zoom, rotate, display style, and section view. It helps you control how you look at your model without digging through menus. And that's a quick tour of the SOLIDWORKS interface. Don't worry if you don't remember everything yet. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. In the next video, we'll start with sketching basics, which is the foundation of every SOLIDWORKS model. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.